In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the issue when the Instagram Live option is missing. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. A weak connection can prevent Instagram Live from appearing. Next, update the Instagram app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and install the latest update if one is available. Using an outdated version can cause features to disappear or stop working. If the live option is still not showing, try clearing the app cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Instagram, then tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. After that, log out and log back into your account. To log out, tap your profile icon, then tap the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Log Out. Once logged out, sign back in and check if Instagram Live is now available. If none of these steps work, Instagram may have temporarily restricted Live due to account violations, age limits, or server issues. In this case, check the Instagram Help Center or wait a few hours and try again. That's it. These steps should help fix the Instagram Live not showing issue. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful fixes.